the 18th of February. And I have the hiccups. Don't I? He thinks it's pretty funny. I take that one. Bye, video.